The bill gives us all the authority we need, frankly, to reach below 250 down to 100 and apply any prudential standard we want, either on the grounds of financial stability or just the safety and soundness of banking companies. We will publish, we're thinking about it carefully now, we're going to publish for public comment the range of factors that we can consider. And again, the bill is very generous in letting us consider all the factors we think are relevant.
But one of the reasons that I was supportive of the legislation was testimony that you had given prior to the passage that this was not going to be some blanket dismissal of these institutions, that you were going to go through a thorough rulemaking process and make an evaluation before those regulations were relaxed. Is that still your position?
We will, absolutely. In fact, there's one institution now that is designated as a SIFI that's less than 250. So we're not shy about finding financial stability risk when we find it.
We think, again, that arbitrary lines are always arbitrary here, but it is up to you in the Fed to make sure that institutions, particularly based upon their business practices that may be overall economically insignificant, that they still will have that determination, as you indicated, even if they fall below 250.
Yes, a wide range of factors it'll be.
Let me move to a different topic. I recently sent you a letter with a number of my Democratic colleagues on the Community Reinvestment Act, and I think the renewal of that act is very important. And I'm concerned that the OCC has proposed a policy that will, quote, only consider lowering composite or component performance test ratings of a bank if evidence of discrimination or illegal credit practices directly relates to the institution's CRA lending activities. The way I read that would mean that under the OCC's proposal, which I think is inappropriate, you could end up with a bank still getting a good CRA rating, even though they had discriminatory practices, but simply those discriminatory practices fell outside of its CRA lending processes. So my hope would be for those banks that fall under the Fed's review that we will not see a relaxing of those CRA standards.
So you've correctly stated what our policy is, and I have every reason to think that it will continue to be that.
I would hope so, and I'll.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.